Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy M55. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. And click search, and now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can try out Firefox search widget, or you can click not now again. And here you can sign in into your account, or you can click not now. Here you can turn on notification from your browser, or you can click not now. And that's it for this video. Now your Firefox browser is installed and ready to use. So if you like this video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.